Hello, my name is Stephen Thomas, and in this quick video, we're going to take a look at what are Azure Service Bus Topics and how you could go about setting them up using the Azure Portal. So Azure Service Bus Topics is a way to essentially add publish and subscribe flexibility to your Azure Service Bus. Azure Service Bus, of course, is the messaging infrastructure used to queue messages up inside of Azure. It can be used to pause message processing if you'd like by having messages queue up inside of your queues. It supports first in, first out, and a whole load of bells and whistles. Topics is available in the standard and premium tier of Service Bus. And don't get concerned because standard costs a whopping $10 a month if you go ahead and implement the standard edition of Service Bus. Definitely one of the best values out there today. So what you do here is you would set up a topic inside your Azure Service Bus. Then you could set up multiple subscriptions that would relate off that topic. Your publishers send the message into the topic, and your consumers would receive from the various subscriptions that they would care about. So you can see that here in this diagram. So let's dive into the portal and see how simple it is to set this up. I'm now in my Azure portal, and I've already went ahead and created a Service Bus namespace. That is the standard edition of the Service Bus. And over here on the left, you'll see you have queues and topics. We're going to focus on the topic side of things right now. And I'm going to go over here and create a new topic. And I'm just going to call this Receive Order. And we'll go ahead and leave all the defaults the same. Go and say Create. Now this will go ahead and create basically the consumer, so where we would send our messages into the system. Now we need to set up the subscribers, so who's going to receive these messages. So to do that, I simply click on the topic itself, and up here on the top, you'll see this a button here to say subscription. I'm going to say plus subscription, and I'm going to call this a new order. And I'm going to leave all the defaults the same just for this demo purposes. And going to go ahead and create another subscription while we're here. And I'm going to call this update order because we might have two different workflows that would process these messages depending on which type of order it is. So now I've created two subscriptions and I can view that under subscriptions over here. And right now there's no routing. There's no pub sub setup. There's no selection criteria for these. So I'm going to go over here under new order. And over here is called a filter. So these filter criteria is what sets this up. I'm going to click add filter. And if you want more information on these types of filters, I have a whole YouTube video on that. I'll link to it at the end of this and in the description below to dive in exactly how to set up these different types of both SQL and correlation filters. So I'm going to say this routing, and I'm going to use a correlation filter here. I'm going to use a system property. I'm just going to set label as a simple one. I'm going to call this simply new order. And say save changes. And when you notice that default filter here disappears once I create a custom one. And let's go back up here and create another update here for update order. I'm going to add a filter, just call this routing, and correlation filter. Again, I'm going to use our label and call this update order. I'm going to save this message. And now let's go ahead and see how we could use this and actually call it. I'm going to go back to my topic here, click on my topic, and go to Service Bus Explorer. This is just an easy way using the UI that you can send messages in to your system here. So I'm going to send a message. Text plain is fine. I'm going to say this is a new order. And I want to set my broker property here, label what I say new order. I'm going to send that. And let's go ahead and set another message. And this is an update order. Set my broker properties and call this update order and send that. Now let's come back here to our overview. Let's dive into our subscriptions. And you can see here that we have message count 1 on each of these, just like we would have expected. And we can dive into the new order, for example, go to Service Bus Explorer. And let's just go ahead and peek this message so we can see what we have here and peek from start. There's our one message. So we can see that this is our new order here. So our new order was routed to the correct subscription using our filter criteria. So this is just a super quick overview and quick demo of how easy it is to set up and use Azure Service Bus Topics. So hopefully you can dive in and use this yourself in your next upcoming project. If you like this content, I have more videos related to Azure Service Bus and Azure Logic Apps and integration services. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.